Okay, good morning. This is the end of week 2. I already posted the answer key for the assignment you had this week. If you have any questions, I'm going to go over each problem in this video. If you got them all right or you already know what you did wrong, you don't have to watch this video. This is just to help go through each problem in case you don't understand. Okay. So I'm going to start with number 1. 1 is 41 times 8. So we say 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. The answer is 328. Number 2 is 23 times 0. 0 times anything is 0, so the answer to 2 is 0. Number 3 is 72 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18, so you put down the 8 and you carry the 1. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64, so the answer is 648. I'm going to squeeze number 4 in here. 22 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. Writing the 2 down, carrying the 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So the answer is 132. Okay, just check and make sure you can see that. Okay, next row, number 5. 5 is 39 times 42. Okay, this one's a little bit more complicated because both numbers are double digits. Okay, so we say 2 times 9 is 18, so we write down the 8, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 4 times 9 is 36, so put down the 6, carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. So that's 8. And then 7 plus 6 is 13, carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1. So the answer is 1,638. Number 6. 79 times 90. So 0 times anything is 0. 9 times 9 is 81. Put down the 1, carry the 8. 9 times 7 is 63. And then 63 plus 8 is going to be 71. So the answer is 7,110. Number 7. 27 times 24. 4 times 7 is 8. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So we're going to go to the second row. We're going to put a 0 here. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Is 8. 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. The answer to number 7 is 648. Okay. Number 8. 8 is 33 times 96. Whew. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 1 would be 19. 9 times 3, put the 0 here for the second row. 9 times 3 is 27. So write the 7, carry the 2. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 2 is going to be 29. And then we're going to add those together. 8, 16, 11. So the answer is 3,168. Okay, number 9. 9 is 75 times 86. 6 times 5 is 30. Put down the 0, carry the 3. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 3 is 45. 8 times 5 is 4. Put a 0 here, sorry. 8 times 5 is 40. So I put a 0 down. I'm going to carry the 4. And 8 times 7 is 56 plus 4 is going to be 60. We're going to add those together. 0, 5, 4, 6. The answer is 6,450. Number 10, 39 times 30. 0 times anything is 0. 3 times 9 is 18. I'm sorry, 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 9 is 27, so write a 7, carry the 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So that answer is 1,170. Okay. Number 11. 11 is 35 times 54. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Put a 0 down here. Go to the second row. 5 times 5 is 25. So put a 5 here. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is going to be 17. Then we add these together. 0, 9, 8, 1. The answer to 11 is 1,890. Okay, 12. 11 times 22. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Put a 0 here. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Add them together is 2, 4, 2. And the answer to 12 is 242. 13. 12 times 25. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. The answer is 300 for number 13. Okay, 14 is 91 times 65. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Put a 0 here. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5. Wait, I messed that up. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. And then we add these together. That's 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And then 5 plus 0 is 5. So the answer to 14 is 5,915. 15. 97 times 99. 9 times 7 is 63. So we put down the 3, carry the 6. 9 times 9 is 81. And then 81 plus 6 is going to be 87. When we put a 0 here, and since we're multiplying by the same number, we're going to get the same answer here. So it's going to be a 3, a 7, and an 8. We add those together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry the 1. 9, so it's 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 7 is going to be 16, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 9,603. All right, 16. 99 times 53. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 2 is 29. Put a 0 here. 5 times 9 is 45, so we put a 5 here, carry the 4. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 is going to be 49. We're going to add those together. 7. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 5,247 to number 16. All right, we have 3 more. So 17. 75 times 11. So 1 times 75 is 75. We put a 0 here. 1 times 75 is going to be 75. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is going to be 12. So we put down the 2, carry the 1. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. So the answer is 825. 18 is 91 times 65. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Put a 0 here. 6 times 1 is 6. And then 6 times 9 is 54. And then we're going to add these together. That's 5. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. So write down the 1 and then carry the 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then that's 5. So the answer is 5,915. Okay, number 19, last one. 36 times 47. 7 times 6 is 42. Put down the 2, carry the 4. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. Put down a 0 here. 4 times 6 is 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And then add these together. 2, 9, 6, 1. So the answer is 1,692. All right, question 20, you were to create your own problem, so everybody's answers are going to be different. If you haven't done so already, check your answers. Also study your flashcards this week and submit your 3 scores for that math minute. And we'll see you on Monday. Have a good 4th of July.